Before we hit the road back toward Colorado, we had one last chance to soak in the beauty of Washington. From the San Juan Islands to the Cascade Mountains, this state never stopped surprising us. Crashing waves, beautiful flowers, and even some deep sea fishing. Jeff also caught some crabs with a mini crab pot on his kayak near Deception Pass, and let's just say we ate like royalty. Washington was the perfect mix of adventure and beauty, but now it's time to pack up and point the RV south. Our goal? Make it back to Colorado just in time for hunting season. Of course, the road home never goes quite as planned, but that's all part of the adventure. First stop, the Oregon coast.
Stop it. Hey, Dad. Dad.
I'm joking. They won't get out. Oh my gosh.
Rock crabs, dungeons.
Oh my gosh.
They're cold. That's why they're not moving.
Oh, they're gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. You see how close this man is parked? We had our Starlink. This is our site. You can see our electric there. He's parked in there crooked. So he has to pull his stupid tote through our site.
Okay, there you go. Some people's kids, holy moly.
So we finally made it to Oregon. We're in Lincoln City and we're staying at an RV. It's raining. This rains and rains and rains. What's the name of this RV park?
Sunset Landing.
The name of the RV park is Sunset Landing, and it's, I wouldn't recommend it, but just so you know where we're at. So we're on our way right now. We were gonna go do the blueberry picking. You can go to Gibson Farms and pick your own blueberries. Today's the last day. It's August 6th? August 6th. And they're open till 7 o'clock, so we're just gonna run over there, but since it's raining, we're not gonna pick any. We're just gonna, you can pick up like a flat of blueberries. So, and if you've never had blueberries from Oregon or Washington, they're delicious. Something totally different about getting them from a farm than from the store. They don't taste the same, I promise you. And then we're gonna go get some clam chowder and then go take a walk on the beach, so.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lines. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for
Blueberry, you pick, enter here. But we don't want to pick. Oh, there's a, okay. Look how pretty they look. Whoa, Hefe. You're just gonna make your own
Good
way,
job, Casey.
huh? Wow. You know, Aunt Linda tried to grow some blueberries in Colorado. Look how pretty.
How'd that turn out?
Not well. Oh my gosh, look at all those blueberries.
We're lazy.
Yeah, I guess. We just don't want to get wet, that's all. Kind of sucks they're all soaking wet, huh? I feel like they're not as tart as the last ones we had, but blueberry pancakes, blueberry muffins. What else did I say? Blueberry syrup.
Pie. I'm gonna get my pie. You said you're gonna make me a pie.
Blueberry pie.
With ice cream.
With ice cream? Moe's. It says turn left now.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the
We'll
right.
have to go find us some muffin cups or papers though.
No wonder it's hopping. You know,
I'm so excited.
No, it wasn't even like that.
Clam chowder. This chowder is getting ready to get a new home. Yum, 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 yum.
since '99. I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
What's those? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Perfect, and look, they're blue with like berries on them. Here. My mother-in-law gave me this 1950s Better Homes and Gardens cookbook when Jeff and I first got married. The recipes in this book haven't failed me in the last 23 years, so I figured I'd give this one a try. It's just falling apart. I need to fix this. What is it? Blueberry muffins. Page 79. Probably one of the easiest recipes ever. You can find it in the pinned comment as well as the description. And then the variations. It starts out with a stick of melted butter. You set that aside to cool while getting all the dry ingredients mixed up. Whisk the egg and milk together and add in the cooled melted butter and set that aside. Add fresh or frozen blueberries to the flour mixture, and then add your wet ingredients. These came out so good, and even better with a little cinnamon sugar top. Nice day.
I watch you as you drive.
And that wraps up our time on the Oregon coast, but the journey's just getting started. Next up, we make our way toward Idaho with an overnight boondock along the Columbia River. We stayed here before, if you remember. Brandy, you ready to go? You want to go? You want to go home to Colorado?
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete.
We'll also show you a charming little town that surprised us with something you don't see every day, a drive-in movie theater still in operation.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto US 12 East, Preston Avenue.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in episode 2.